Break up rumors swell as Ashley won't be attending Sweet Glover homecoming. She unfollowed him. Break up rumors swell as Ashley won't be attending Sweet Glover homecoming. She unfollowed him. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why Not TV? Please subscribe. Ashley Ogle and Sweet Glover, one of Big Brother Mzansi's most talked about couples, are facing speculations that their relationship might be on the rocks. The rumor mill started churning after Ashley made a surprising announcement on social media regarding Sweet Glover's homecoming celebration. In a candid live video, Ashley confirmed that she would not be attending Glover's highly anticipated homecoming event, a move that quickly set off alarm bells among fans. The reality star clarified that she had no plans to join the celebration, igniting a flood of reactions from fans and followers alike. The announcement sent netizens into overdrive, with many speculating that the couple's relationship had hit a rough patch. The speculation grew even stronger when followers noticed that Ashley had unfollowed Sweet Glover on Instagram. The couple, known for their on-screen chemistry and off-screen romance, had often shared moments together on social media, and this sudden change in their online interaction raised further questions about the status of their relationship. As the news spread, fans flooded the comment sections on various platforms expressing concern and curiosity. One user pointed out she unfollowed him on Insta. Meanwhile, another one commented and said, questioning, she's no longer following him. Hi boo, what's going on? Others, however, were quickly to defend Ashley, noting that the homecoming was more about Sweet Glover's celebration with his hometown rather than a couple's event. Another one commented and said, you guys are something else. I mean, she's 100% right. I'm from Ngo too. I'm Glover's homeboy. And yes, the homecoming is mainly for him. And that's the person Ngo too is eager to see and celebrate. No need to mix that up with shipping content. That will happen another day. Despite the online chatter, neither Ashley or Sweet Glover have made any official statements confirming or denying the breakup rumors. Fans are left wondering whether this is simply a misunderstanding or if something more serious is brewing behind the scenes. The story continues to unfold, and all eyes are on this once beloved couple to see where things go from here. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why Not TV? Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why Not TV? Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe. Please don't forget to like and to comment. Thank you very much.
Dr. Jones, Why Not TV?
Goodbye till we meet again next time. Subscribe.